song for Bessie?
Yes, I wrote her 2 songs now.
You wrote her 2 songs? Pwede bang pa-sample naman? Sample daw ba? Sinulat mo for them?
I wrote half a song inside the TV house.
Paano?
Okay, I'll do it.
You have got to be the cutest thing I've ever seen. You, me, we could be so damn happy. I'll keep staring at you till you stop staring too. Then maybe, baby, daily you could love me too.
Okay. Ay, kayo naman ay may handog daw sa aming dalawa. Kayong dalawa daw ay may handog para sa aming lahat ng surprise. Ano daw yun, ha? Wait na. Linano nila ito ng bonggo. Kasi nga, sa-sample nga niya. I-surprise pa kayo sa amin. Kakanta kayo? Okay, go. Okay, Queen.
Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been really happy. Lucky to be coming home again.
Naklap kayo.
Lucky we're in love in every way. Lucky to have stayed where we have stayed. Lucky to be coming home someday.
Aww, cute! Are you best friend? Ang pula-pula mo na, Christy. Ang pula ang mukha. Ang cute mo! Nag-blush! Bakit ako pinigilig? Bakit ganun? Kayo ba best friends kayo? Sa totoong buhay? Bakit? Ba't naging ganun? Kahit tapos na yung TVD, tapos na lahat, nagkita kayo, trabaho pa rin. What do you think makes it click? Yung totoo lang.
It's nice to have someone that looks out for you, you know?
Ang
She's
cute.
there for me, and I'm there for her also.
Bakit? Paano niya naparamdam? What did she do to make you feel that she was there for you? Because it's so easy to say that, di ba?
Yeah. Like, even if I don't tell her I have a problem, she asks about it. She's like, are you okay?
Alam na niya.
Yeah, she knows before I know.
Parang kilala ko na rin. Matagal kami nagsama sa bahay kuya. So, from obvious, alam ko if magtampo siya or gano'n.
Anong ginagawa mo para mapag-feel better siya?
Wala lang.
Ano ba yun? Parang happy-happy ngayon si Brett.
Ano ba
Hug, kiss, advice.
She's just there for me, really. She's there. She talks to me. She can talk to me for hours. Like that.
Alright. It's so pleasant to have friends with you. Sana hindi magbago yan. Thank you guys for being on 50KC. Pero magpapalik pa kayo, di ba?
Of course.
Okay. Since kumanta ka, may sinulat ka rin na kanta, ngayon naman, isang kanta ang gusto ko muling ialay para sa lahat ng in love na hindi marunong sumuko sa kabila ng mga problema. Actually, dedicated to sa kaibigan kong may OFW na may hindi man na boyfriend. Oo, matagal yung hindi nakikita. Kaya ito, this is dedicated to you, Pop, and your love life. Yung mga laging nandyan, nag-aabang for better things to come. Ito ay para sa inyo. Sana magustuhan ninyo. Baby, love